Hey everybody, just stick with me for a few seconds. I just want to go over some things. I've been doing this for over 3 years now. I really appreciate everything it's afforded me. I'm doing a lot. If you want to be productive, start a YouTube channel. I haven't been so productive in my downtime in a long time. I'm a physical therapist assistant by trade. That's what I do, my typically 9 to 5. I'll show you a quick snippet of that here. This is what it looks like at my work. This is what I do. I'll show you the goods in a bit. Here, samples. Okay, keep your attention. Keep with me. I would love to be able to do this full time. 8 hours a day, making stuff, making content. It's just not, I can't do it. I need the followers, I need the likes, I need the views. If you could help me share, like, subscribe. I'm just going to show you a slew of what I've done in the last 3 years. I mean, I've gotten an incredible amount done. I'm selling things, I'm giving things away. I've been filling up my house with woodworking stuff. I've been making sausage snack sticks, beer. I mean, you name it, everything that I DIY, my home maintenance stuff. I've been sharing all that with everybody. I've had people look at my page and say, Evan, this is such good content. Why aren't you getting the views? And I just don't know what the magic algorithm is. I don't know what to do, what to say, but hopefully you can all help me out with that. I'm gonna just run a reel for you of everything I've done in the past, for sure, year. I might sneak in a few things that I've done in the last 2 or 3, but largely this has been in the last year. I just want you to know I really enjoy making this stuff and sharing it with everybody, and even if it doesn't grow into a big multi-million Mr. Beast, I know it's not going to get to that point, but just know I appreciate you, all the subscribers, and I keep doing it for you. Appreciate it. Everybody have a good day. Thanks for watching.
Alright, this is a friend and I doing our first wood slabs ever. Bought that chainsaw add-on. First bow tie that I've ever done. That's a desk I ended up making and giving to my wife for work. This is it all finished up with an epoxy top. Bathroom, taking up the linoleum tiles, laying out a new floor. This was my most viewed video ever of me redoing my ceiling in my basement. I cover a popcorn ceiling with paneling and do my own homemade trim. Turned out real nice. I do end up making a lot of brats, a lot of sausage, a lot of smoked meats. That's a background, family business background. We owned a few meat markets. My brother owns one right now. This is making a long process of acoustic wall. This is just an art piece I made for my own living room. This is my second most viewed video series of me rehabbing my camper. I made a lot of videos with this camper. I bought it for $800. I ended up selling it for $3,500. So a bit of a profit there. Made a lot of content out of it. This is what it looked like at the very end when I was finished with it. But you can see all my videos of me doing all this to the camper. This is a rainbow play set that I've been redoing over the years. I got it in really rough shape. So to get it to the point that my kids could play on it, now I just kind of have been limping it along. Put new decking on there. Painted the whole thing now. Repaired the wood. Got rid of some of the rot. Making it safe. Summer sausage. Homemade summer sausage. This is a 50-50 beef and pork. And this is my master-built 1050 charcoal smoker grill. I have a lot of videos using this. I also bought a griddle insert that you can watch some videos on. You do need to submerge your summer sausage in ice water when you're done to help it cool down quickly so you don't get as many wrinkles. This is a red oak bed backer, companion urn box. This is a table, a river edge table that I made and sold. I do make beer. I make a lot of beer. Just haven't made a video in a long time because they don't get a lot of views, and so I haven't been filming. This is the biggest mistake. I still remember that video. It was a lot of fun. This is how you can save a piece of meat that you dried out too much. You can save it. Go through, look at my videos, and find this one. If you've dried out a piece of meat too much, you think you're done for. Submerge it in water. Cook it a long time. This is my son trying my candy bacon. Big fan. This is sweet hot chicken nuggets. These are probably my favorite snack to make, and these are the secret stars of my channel. My dogs. Barbecue pulled pork, homemade barbecue sauce. Secret family recipe for the sauce too, but the pulled pork. This is my 14-foot Lumacraft boat. I ended up modifying it, cutting down the bench seats, covering it, and made a bench, folds up.
Taken apart.
This is a commercial toilet I ended up redoing. This is a capacitor I placed in my AC unit, my personal residence one. Fixed the problem, save you a lot of money. Went on the board through my new planer. This planer I got because of my channel. I wanted to be able to show you guys the right way to do things. Homemade beer. And these I ended up making for my brother's meat market. Garbage can enclosures. Turned out really nice. This is a table I made custom. Someone got a hold of me on Facebook Marketplace. I was selling some tables and asked him if I could make this one specific to his room that he had. This is my closet. I made all this shelving myself. And this is my proudly made dining room table.